Every garden transformation starts somewhere. This is where this one began. The first job was stripping everything back and excavating the entire garden, creating a blank canvas to work from. With the site cleared, it was time to install the new boundary fence. After setting out our string lines, we dug each post hole around 900mm deep before setting the concrete posts in postcrete. Once the posts and concrete gravel boards were in place, we could then start installing the feather edge boards, bringing the new fence to life. Once the fencing was complete, we could start prepping the foundations for the new patio. We began belaying a geotextile membrane followed by a geogrid to help reinforce the subbase. Next came the concrete edge restraints, which locked the patio in place to help prevent any movement over time. Finally, we brought in the Type 1 subbase, compacting it in 2 layers to create a nice solid foundation ready for the paving. Now it was time for the porcelain paving. Each slab was laid on a full mortar bed with slurry primer to ensure a long-lasting bond. Once the paving was in, we cut and installed the curved granite set border to give the patio a clean finished edge. We grouted the patio using flow point in charcoal. The grout was mixed, worked into the joints with a squeegee and then cleaned using our Raymondized sponge machine, which gives a good consistent clean finish across the entire patio. We finished with one final clean by hand before moving on to the lawn. To create the new lawn, we brought in around 8 cubic metres of topsoil to form a new 115mm soil bed before carefully grading it to the correct levels using string lines. We then applied a lawn establishment fertiliser before laying the turf, making sure each roll was firmly tamped down to ensure good contact with the soil. And with everything complete, here's the finished result.